Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert image to black and white, no gray in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make an image black and white but no gray. Go to a blank page. Then select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now select this picture and click open. Then place the picture. Then select this picture and click the layer option and click new adjustment. Then select the black and white option, otherwise press Ctrl Alt Shift B. Now we can see this image of black and white. Then you manual this option to use manually. Then close this panel. Now we can see this picture is a black and white but not gray. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.